racing just started with Security Queen. First to show quickness at the start, moving up Don Enrico. Arithmetic, Tiger Boy, Speed Almighty comes next in the nick of time, while Super Doc is the early trailer run going along. For the first turn we have Don Enrico in the middle, running by the Security Queen. Tiger Boy is on a side, Speed Almighty comes next. Arithmetic in the nick of time, while Super Doc is still running at the tail of the field. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Don Enrico maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Tiger Boy in second. Security Queen now coming closer in third. Speed Almighty comes next. Arithmetic in the nick of time, while Super Doc is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn we have Don Enrico maintaining a length and a half lead. About to throw the challenge generally inside is Security Queen. Tiger Boy comes next, then followed by Arithmetic. Speed Almighty as they swing to Rome. We have Don Enrico by about ahead, running by the rally Security Queen with about 100 meters up the race. We have Don Enrico, this time by about 2 lengths, and finally it's Don Enrico. Security Queen, Arithmetic, Speed Almighty.
Okay, Coach, at tingin ko 1.27.
Mamaya, malalaman natin yung opisyal. That's Jackie J.B. Cordero. Ang galing mo naman talaga. 1.27 sarado, tinapos ng kabayang Don Enrico over 1,400 meters with quarters of 13, 24, another 24, and coming home at 26.
Kapraso doon sa time ni Indelible Ink kahapon kasi 126.6 itong si Indelible Ink. 25 yung medyo yung dating, 26 ito. 58 ang peso ni Indelible kahapon, 56 ito.
Magandang pagbasihan yan.
Di ba?
That's